microstructure of copper, brass and aluminum. So this is the microstructure for copper, and this one is nothing but for bronze, and this is for aluminum meters. Basically, if you after the preparation of specimen and when we go for the examination of the microstructure, so these three microstructures will be obtained when we view it in the microscope. So that is our first and second experiment. So for the third experiment also we are going to do the similar procedure. We are going to follow a very similar process, but only difference is like we are going to heat treat the specimen. So heat treat in the sense we are going to heat the specimen to a recrystallization temperature. That means till the red hot temperature the specimen will be heated, and then it will be brought to the room temperature. Once it is brought to the room temperature, therefore same procedure, that is nothing but selection. We are going to see how the microstructure is obtained for the heat treated specimen. After that we are going to assume that the microstructure which is present in this material are homogeneous, and crystal structure which is present in the material are homogeneous. The composition and the crystal structure are homogeneous, and further we will be moving to the grinding operation. So in the grinding operation there are two types of grinding will be done. One is nothing but the coarse grinding, another one is nothing but the fine grinding. So in coarse grinding we are going to take the P100 waterproof grinding emery paper, and whereas in the fine grinding we will be going till 200. So grinding will be done exactly 90 degree. At 90 degree we are going to grind the metal. So after 90 degree grinding, once again we will be moving to the another emery paper. There we will be rotating the specimen to 90 degree, and the whatever scratch which was obtained in the previous grinding, that scratches will be removed and the fresh scratches will be obtained. That is nothing but in a very fine abrasive particle. So just like that we will be moving till the 200 series. Once the 200 series is achieved, therefore we will be viewing the microstructure of the given specimen with same kind of procedure. Thank you.